Okay, I think this is good now. So, okay, here we go. Okay, welcome back to another trade recap for what day is it today? Trade recap for today is Friday, January 5th, 2024. Okay, so okay, this is a recap for today, and yeah, and this is what I thought about it so far. Okay, but first let me turn these on. Make 5 megabytes. 575. Yeah, okay. 70. Okay, I think it's fully focused on that. Okay, forgive me if my chart looks laggy because I'm recording this on 1080p, so that's why it looks kind of shit. It looks good for you, but it's laggy as hell for me and my chart. Anyway, we are focus on BTC since I took about a few positions on BTC, and these are my executions on BTC. So we can see I enter at here, right about right here, where there was a breakup structure, as you can see, right around at this area. My God, so laggy. I need to change this shit. Okay, I can't use this. Okay. Okay. So if we check right here, we will see that yeah. Okay, so we can see the breakup structure right here on M1. The reason I entered because of this breakup structure. So I entered there, and also there was MSS, the liquidity swap. There's also a liquidity swap here. Previous liquidity swap right here. Previous liquidity been sitting there, and then just swaps like about 2 times. This one didn't. This one right here on my crosshair didn't really get to hit, so yeah. And I can see also a high deviation right here, so I just decided to, you know what, go here and just take this because it's a high probability setup right here, right about right there. And yeah, I did decide to take on trade right there, and plus 5, so it just retested back into this kind of order block. I would presume this is a kind of valid order block right here, and that plus there was a breakup block right around here, so that's why I entered there and eventually take this short, but real quickly realized I accidentally put like my buy was pretty sure like yeah, a buy limit with a buy stop, you know, yeah, I think it was a buy limit, and I got that right there, right here, and then push it too far here, and then close my positions right around here accidentally. Mind you, I was here and take like my profit right about 25 because my lot size was like about 40. I'm pretty sure 3 40. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 40. If I check like last time I traded, it was, yeah, you can see BTC, and my lot size was 20. So it's like 40 and 45. So it was, this one is long, short. Just these two are just like shorts. So like 40 lot size position. So it's like 8k together here, more 8 to 9k right there, plus it's on demo, so you should take this a bit lightly, but here you go. I also kinda know that it's gonna go our way just because of this what is this, OTE. So like optimal trade entry. So we just gonna go with swing high to a swing low right around here, or like here from, no wait, here to here. I don't know which one, but yeah, it's probably right here. I'm just gonna change this to OTE real quick. Optimal trading. Yeah, wait, no, it was. Yeah, right around here when the price stopped about on our take profit 1. So eventually it hit take profit 1. It didn't hit take profit 2 because of a fair value gap that been formed here. It's probably a 15-minute fair value gap. If I checked again, it was a 15-minute fair value gap. So I didn't take a risk on take profit 2, so I eventually take profit there. But it was an accident, so yeah, take that with a grain of salt, like a 15-minute here. So right now, what my thoughts is, like, the way I could improve this is by taking like a less higher, like low risk to reward setup, because my eventual goal here is to get a funded account. So my probability, my guess is I'm probably going to take like my future entries. I'm going to probably take like this kind of setup, like risk like 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right around here. If I target a risk to reward ratio right here, I can just about eliminate all risk. But I do realize it was kind of risky, since like liquidity was right around here, New York liquidity right around here, and I didn't target that just because of this. So yeah, I realized it was a high risk like entry. So that was the plus side of having risk to reward ratio like that. Maybe adjust this and remove this. Now I can remove this, and plus it was a fair value gap, that's why I entered there. Anyway, the order block was formed here. It did kind of slope this low, but it's like no, it just goes respecting the fair value gap. Yeah, I respect this 15-minute fair value gap right around right here. So I'm just gonna remove all these drawings. Don't worry, I can just 38 of them. Yeah, there's a fair value gap right around here. Fair value gap here, boom, boom, boom. Fair value gap, boom. Form here, tap into this fair value gap, boom. Just shut up like there. And then you can probably trade this, because there was that kind of liquidity setup, but like there was a sell side liquidity right around here or right here. So you could probably trade using this liquidity, or this other one right around here to get a swept, and then eventually form MSS right around a 5-minute. Yeah, a 5-minute fair value gap. No, MSS, market structure shift, boom. And then plus there's a breaker structure, so many of them breaker structures, so you can probably, it's safe to say it's just like a valid setup. So you can target right about right here on this liquidity, probably on Tokyo session liquidity, but the best way is probably target the previous liquidity right here in New York, or target London. So pretty safe setup, to be sure. Or you could be like a fucking psycho and try to target a high deviation setup right here. High deviation, where's that? Okay, high deviation right here, but on the opposite side, so like a low deviation, probably that's what it's called. I don't remember. You could target like this much, and it still will be a valid setup, or you could target this much, but I wouldn't really risk it that much. So this swing will probably keep it to a minimum of this. Yeah, this swing. So you can probably take this and then wait for break structure right around here, and then just enter right about right there, and just keep this stop loss right around here, and then target this up, this deviation right around here. To be fair, it needs to be at bottom, and then you can quick snag there. Or if you want a tight entry, you could probably risk it right about here 5, but I wouldn't be really risking that much. So yeah, you could also put lot sizes about like 5 to 1 lot size, because on BTC if you enter, I'm just gonna give you a demonstration. I'm just gonna enter 1 right here. Run so I'm marking this order block. You can hear that loud shit. You can just enter right here, and then it just like verifies for you. It's just a high probability right now. If you enter $1, it's just gonna be like a $300 trade. A $300 trade. So it's just gonna be way more secure to trade like one lot size, like one lot size, one or something, or like quantity 1, or not on 15. Okay, not on 15, because that is way too risky. That's way too risky, just to be honest here. Just be honest here. It's way too risky to think about that much size. But yeah, so this is my entry. But I may trade right now. So I'm just gonna trade right now. I'm just gonna show you how I actually trade before drawings, and you guys can help me on this one. So yeah, feel free. So we're seeing fair value gap here, a H1 fair value gap right here. We also need to take out get our daily PDLs and PDH, previous day highs and lows. So we get here Friday. We need to target on Thursday, and by the way, I'm using New York. What is it again? What is it again? New York. What is it? Time zone. New York time zone right now. So using New York time zone to get this advantage. Okay, right around here, another one, and then another one here. It's probably on Wednesday. Right, oh, Thursday. Okay, so we have our previous day low right around this liquidity, where the New York session was, and previous day highs as well. Right there, previous day low, and then we go on here, up here, where's the previous day high, and yeah, that's the previous day high right around here. Target that. And yeah, and that respected our liquidity sweep, so yeah, that's why it just drops down right there. And plus it was a pretty good setup, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, right there, and what else? Looking for any fair value gaps though, not gonna lie, we need to find any fair value gaps in H1. So we already found one, and then we need to mark any here. If you want to check on my indicators, you can check right here what my indicator is. Just keep it like default, everything almost on default except for this. I'm just gonna change it to New York time zone, not session, time zone. Yeah, that's about it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, there, market structure shift. This is about market structure shift probably, but I'm not gonna risk it right now. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for here, but it's like, why did it go down here? Order block? Probably, but that's way too weird. Let me go to 50 minute. You should go 15 minute for this one. Let's see here. So 15 minute, this is where you look for for present liquidity. No, not present liquidity. Yeah, of course. Here, order blocks. Boom, we found order block 1 here. We need to find another order block just in case, but we're seeing a sell side liquidity right around here, but we just couldn't ignore that and go to the session liquidity right around here. Right now we are on Tokyo session. So previous day, no. Here you go. Our liquidity here is just like pretty good. I saw previous liquidity on the session just got swept, so yeah, we can target this. LQ, LQ, LQ. Okay, there we go. Now you just need to wait. So trading is just like waiting game. So yeah. And then we just see like a fair value gap, but isn't really a fair value gap just because of his. But we can check on M5 just see if there's any fair value gap, which there is a fair value gap, a big old huge fair value gap right around here. And then a order block right around here. And then boom. We have a break of structure. Or change of character. Which one? We got break of structure right here. Okay. And this is a valid setup. To be sure. And plus it's kinda clean, not gonna lie, if you ignore this. Just put on this. Yeah, this is a pretty clean setup if you ask me, to be honest. Yeah, okay. I think that's all for this recap. Yeah. So my total profit was like 68k, 68.9k. So yeah, we're gonna keep trading until we reach 100k. Once we reach 100k, I'm probably gonna reset my trading account back to 5,000 or just to 10k, probably. Because I want to trade NAS next up. Just strictly trading NAS. Always get liquidity has been swept. Shit. Okay. Can we live trade right now? I'm probably gonna stream. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna get this video out. Anyway. Okay. See you guys on the next recap, trading recap. Yeah. See you.